guys, it's Shirley here again. I'm with Natalie. You can barely see her, but we're in nature. No, 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 no. And there's a kid right there. You're gonna go pee? You gonna go pee? Hello, darkness, my old friend. I come to talk with you again.
Quiero camisetas.
¿De verdad?
Mira.
Toby! Hey, Toby! Rejected! Please fall, please fall, please fall. Oh, okay, never mind. Nature life! Hello, Toby! Come back! Come back, Jack! Come back! I'm gonna discover nature. Stop! Don't push me! Oh my gosh, I'm gonna go see. Oh!
Does he bite?
No, she doesn't.
Oh my god, Toby! Toby!
Get away from me, girl. Get away from me. I can't never mind. Boom.
Yeah, I was gonna. Where was he? Like, where did they find him? I live in the street and.
Bye, doggies. Bye, doggies. Bye, doggies. Close up on my dad.
Chucha.
Cover this. Oh my god, it's scary. I don't like being here.
Bien lindas.
It's a
Por
pretty
eso digo, cuestan, pero así.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.